Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fettme, and I suppose I should preface this by saying I need to confess to my sponsor that I went and took and broke down, how you want to say it. I just couldn't resist, and I stopped at my LCS, and they had more Chrome Star Wars, so I picked up 3 boxes. So I'm gonna probably have to do better at resisting buying cards, but this set just looks so great that I just can't resist. So I'm just going to do one per video to try to keep them short instead of having one long video. I'm still waiting for my 2 boxes that I, how do you want to say, won the lottery on with Fanatics website. They just barely shipped yesterday. So, considering the autos are typically on the very top, I'm flipping it, and if it turns out to be different, then I'll adjust. So we'll see how these go. I may have just made a bad decision. But it's cards, so it can't be bad, right? So we're just going to skip to the good stuff. So this one has a Palpatine insert, offspring of Anakin, and then we have a blue of Captain Enoch, 84/150. That's a nice way to start. And we'll move the Palpatine out of the way. And I'm trying to complete at least the Empire one, because I had more of those, the Galactic Empire inserts. And we have an Eris. And behind that, a Zeb Aurelius refractor. But yeah, it definitely, from what I can see, those 2 insert sets, whether it's Galactic Empire or Rebel Alliance, if you get all 9 cards, it has the puzzle, so it gives you the logo in the background. It completes it. Oh, we got something reddish looking here. Oh, is it a red of the... Maybe not. Maybe it's not a parallel. But there is a parallel behind it, and it's Eris. Nope, Rise of Palpatine gold. 17/50. So that's the one thing I have really noticed, is that you get some decent looking short print cards. Again, I'm not happy that they kind of give you lots of parallels as opposed to, say, sketches or other hits. I really miss the sketches. This one, is it an Eris? Looks like an Eris. And it is. Bo-Katan reassures Grogu. Another refractor. This time it is BB-8. Come on. And this one's just a refractor. Yeah, just a refractor of Cobb Vanth. But like I said, if you have not seen these in hand and stuff, the refractors with the lines and the text and everything at the bottom of the card, they really, really pop. Much better than the last couple of years. We got something weird going on here with curvy cards. Oh, we've got another. Oh, we got a Galactic. Is it a parallel? It's a green. It is a green. 3PO. 58 of 99. That's kind of cool that the green is just basically around the text boxes and stuff and the symbolism. So that's 2 numbered inserts. Oh, we got a Galactic Gear. I have not seen a Aurebesh yet. So we got a young Lando. Still say they should do a second Solo. I don't know if I'm in the minority, but I really enjoyed Solo. Oh, we got something interesting here. Oh, a debut of Jason Syndulla. Just a regular refractor. So, looks like an Aurebesh and a auto should be coming here. I got a Gorian Shard. I think I already have him. Oh, looks like that's our auto. So we got a Queel, refractor. I'm going to set that down and we'll do this one first. I know, it's cruel. So we got a Rise of Palpatine insert, and then we got another gold here. 23 of 50. Oh, that's not an Aurebesh. That's interesting. Did I not get an Aurebesh? I don't think I got an extra hit. That's just a refractor of Queel. Ooh, nice. 5 of 25. One of the ones I wanted. Wes Chatham. So if you have never ever watched The Expanse, go watch it now. He was incredible on it. So I am pleased with that box as a starter box, but I'm going to have to pause and check just to make sure I didn't miss Aurebesh. Okay, so here's a hit recap. And I did go through the base set, or all the cards, and I did not miss an Aurebesh parallel, so apparently you aren't guaranteed to get one if you don't get one of the extra hits. So yeah, that's weird. So the single, if you want to call it regular version of the, whether it's Galactic Empire or the Rebel Alliance. So I have one of the puzzle cards, got the Imperial Royal Guard version. And then for parallels, I suppose I got it kind of backwards here. This was my highest numbered one. I think it's Skywalker Blue, 84 of 150 of Captain Enoch. And remember that name. You got Queel to 50 gold. And I guess I screwed up because the thing is I should have had a 3PO because that's to 99. But again, Rebel Alliance green parallel, 58 of 99. And then as well, another insert parallel, Rise of Palpatine, the secret Sith fleet. Go ahead and say that 6 times fast, or 7 times fast, or 66 times fast. 17 of 50, so basically 2 golds. And then, yeah, the hit of the box. Got a Captain Enoch 5 of 25. Wes Chatham autograph. So I'm pleased with that. I suppose I should flip it around so it doesn't look like the card is dented, because the card is flawless. So yeah, I'm pleased with that box. So hopefully the other two can be just as plentiful. So, hope you all have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.